Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin quarter to tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, there is a very nice bullish reversal from the lows of 50,000 tethers, and this is a very nice long down shadow on this daily candle, and it looks like the bulls are up to something. So this is our chart. This is our daily time frame chart. This is the yearly high, apparently made on March 14th, 73,550. So as you can see, this reversal to the upside might be pretty beginning of something very interesting. Let's do the analysis. We are going to start with the RSI. The RSI jumped from the 34 points towards the 47 points, so it's almost on the level of a 50 points. Let's just mark it here on the chart. So the 50 points is roughly around here, let's say, and we are still trading below it. Nevertheless, very nice jump in the momentum. Most likely the level of 50 would be located, would be parallel or correspond to this level here, 58,000 tethers. This is the intraday technical resistance. So if we break above this level, the RSI should be positive, should be above the level of 50 points, which is good for the bulls, because then the market would target this level here, which is the 100 periods moving average, and then maybe even 200 periods moving average. As you can see, there is still a death cross here. Nevertheless, that might be perfect target for the bulls once the 58,000 tethers technical resistance is violated. All right, where are the supports? I think we can mark this technical level here, this low, as the technical support. So let's make it green, and there will be one more, which is the yesterday's low. Basically, this yesterday's low tested the important low of 49,501, because the yesterday's low was 50,000, so it's almost 49. Nevertheless, we got very nice tight demand zone made on this time frame. So we know where are the supports, and we know that the supports are being defended by the bulls. Very nice reversal to the upside. Let's just zoom in a little bit. All right, so let's just zoom in just a little bit here to see what is actually going on this market. So if this is the last swing to the downside, and if we apply momentum, Fibonacci, of course, Fibonacci retracement, to be honest, if we apply the Fibonacci retracement, then we will be able to see that from that low, let's say, to this high, this is the last swing high, we retraced perfectly 50% of this last swing down. Yeah, we traced 50%, 61%. Let me just move it to the right side. Let me just move it to the right side. It's the other way around, sorry. But the 50 will be in the same place. The 61 will be in a different place. So this is the low, this is the high, and there you go. 61% is 59,127. So that's the next target for the bulls in terms of the Fibonacci retracement. Then 100 periods moving average, then 200 periods moving average, if we break above the level of 50 and continue to increase the momentum towards the extremely overbought market conditions. So bullish outlook for the Bitcoin in the coming days. It looks like we want to retrace more, we want to test more levels. Let's see how this will be played by the market participants. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.